A very good morning class. Today I am going to start the new chapter 11, measurement and motion, in which we will study about measurement, and then the second part is the motion part. Measurement, what is measurement? When we determine the quantity of an unknown substance by comparing it with the known substance, that is known weight, that is known as measurement. ठीक है, किसी भी चीज़ को एक अननोन चीज़ का जब नाप लेते हैं हम किसी नोन चीज़ को कंपेयर करके, दैट इज़ नोन एज मेजरमेंट. मेजरमेंट की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है? टू गेट एक्यूरेट थिंग्स. एक्यूरेट थिंग्स जानने के लिए, एक्यूरेट चीज़ों को जानने के लिए हमको मेजरमेंट की ज़रूरत होती है. As you all know that in our in day-to-day life, in our days, we always measure one thing or another, right? We are measuring time every minute. We are measuring temperature. We are measuring the weights of different goods which we are going to buy, right? So it has more importance in our daily life. And when we are talking about experiments, we are talking about science, that precision, the thing which is known as accuracy, is very important in measurement. So in your chapter, the starting of the chapter has given the history of transport. In our earlier times, we used to travel by following means like wheels we use, then the steam engine came, then automobiles have been developed. The time to time we have developed different techniques for traveling, but all of these do not have anything to measure the distance. Why we need to measure the distance? While selecting the mode of transport, it is important to know how far the place is. If suppose you are going to Delhi from Lucknow, you need to know the particular transport which will take you from your place to the desired place, right? Like you will not be able to go Delhi from Lucknow by bicycle. Is it possible to go? No, it will be very hectic, right? And if we are thinking we will go to America with a car, will it be possible? No, it will not be possible. So on selecting the mode of transport, we need to know about the measurement or the distance. Okay, this is the importance of distance. Now, what we use in our ancient times फॉर मेजरिंग थिंग्स, हम अलग अलग चीज़ें यूज़ करते थे पुराने ज़मानों में. जब हमारे पास घड़ियाँ नहीं थी, वी डोंट हैव वॉचेस और वी डोंट हैव स्केल्स, हमारे पास इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं थे, बैलेंसेस नहीं थे, तब भी तो मेजरमेंट होते थे ना. तब भी लोग मेजर किया करते थे, भले ही वे इतना एक्यूरेटली मेजरमेंट नहीं करते थे, लेकिन राइट. सो लेकिन they used to measure the things, right? Because without measurement it is not possible for us to do things accurately, right? So in ancient times, the hand span, cubit, fingers, phantom, pace, these are the things which are very much important for these were used in the ancient times. What is a hand span? The distance from the thumb to the smaller finger is known as hand span. We used to measure things like this in our ancient time, right? Cubit is the place from the tip of the palm to the elbow. ठीक है. And the fingers, these are the fingers we used to count. In these days also we used to count the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. We are counting our fingers. Phantom is the hand span. The phantom is the distance from one hand stretched hand from the other hand. Okay, these are the measurement techniques of ancient time. But these methods were unreliable. Why these were unreliable? Because every person have different hand span. अब मेरे हैंड्स का साइज़ कुछ और है, कोई बड़ा लंबा चौड़ा इंसान होगा, उसके हैंड्स का स्पैन और लंबा होगा, कोई छोटा होगा तो उसके छोटा बच्चा होगा तो उसके हैंड स्पैन छोटे होंगे. तो these are not reliable because these are variable, because they can vary very मच बहुत ज़्यादा वैरी कर सकते हैं. अगर हम किसी बॉडी ऑर्गन से काउंट कर रहे हैं या मेजर कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज वाई देर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एक्यूरेट थिंग्स. ठीक है. Now what is measurement? As I have told you earlier that comparison of unknown quantity with some quantity with some known quantity is known as measurement. हम unknown quantity को जब किसी known quantity के साथ compare करते हैं उसको measurement बोलते हैं. तो measurement has two parts. One is the magnitude and the another one is the unit part. The magnitude is the numeral number, right? 20, 25, 100, whatever the numeral, कोई भी number हो सकता है. And the unit is the unit part like kilograms, centimeter, meter, kilometers, millimeters. These are the units. So how will we write a measurement? Like 12 centimeter. Something is of 12 centimeter. 12 is the magnitude, yeah, numeral, and the centimeter is the unit. Then it comes the national system of units.